Hi grade 6s, welcome back. In this video we're going to be talking about number 95 in your method book. This is smooth operator. So in this one there's no new notes that are being introduced, but there is something that I want to talk to you about, and that is a slur. If you want to look right above number 95, it should have a little blurb about what a slur is, but let's talk about it right now. So a slur is whenever you see one of these over top of two different notes. And I know that you might be saying it looks almost like a tie. And we talked about ties before, where you take one note and you tie it to another one using one of these symbols. It's only a tie if the two notes that these things are over top of are the same note. In this case, in number 95, they are different notes. That means that it's going to be a slur. Now, what is a slur? A slur is when you connect the two notes that these are over top of. You connect those two notes by not using any tongue on the second note. So you're just going to basically be playing the first note and then the second note without using any tongue to play the second note, to make it nice and smooth. Now, if you play the trombone, this is going to be a little different, and we'll talk about that in a second, but I'll demonstrate the difference. So here's what it would sound like if I played the first two notes of number 95, smooth operator, without the slur. So, that's what it sounds like. Now if I play it with the slur, with this thing, this is what it's going to sound like. It's going to sound more smooth and more connected. So, just as a reminder, if you are playing a slur, it means you don't use any tongue whatsoever. Now, trombone players, if you do that, this is what's going to happen. You're going to get this weird kind of gliss sound, which is not what we're looking for. So trombones, whenever you see one of these, for now, what I want you to do is do what's called a legato tongue. And that means that you're just going to tongue very, very lightly. You're going to keep it nice and smooth so that it doesn't sound super, super aggressive. It'll sound like this. So very, very light tongue so that it sounds kind of like a slur with everybody else. Okay, so as I did before, I'm going to play number 95 at a slower speed. You're going to listen, and then I'm going to play it again, and you can play along after that. So get your instrument ready and follow along in your music as I play it for the first time. Here it is. 1, 2, ready. So, a couple of important things as you're playing this one. One, remember that since there is no natural sign or no sharp sign in front of your E's or your F's, that means you're going to play them as E flats or regular F's. So you're not going to play the new note that we learned in the last couple of videos. This is going to be E flats or F natural or F regular. So, let's play this together. When you're doing the slurs, remember that those need to be smooth and connected, no tongue unless you're a trombone, in which case you do a little bit of tongue. Okay? Let's play it together. 1, 2, ready. Nice work. We won't do that one again because this one is just a practice exercise. But remember, Slurs mean you don't use any tongue in between those two different notes, and they look kind of like ties, but it's only when they are different notes and you have the little rainbow over top of them that it becomes a slur. Okay, nice work.